I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this sewing table. This is such a nice organizer for all of your sewing things. You can hold your sewing machine up at the top. You can put it right down here on the second drawer right here. Right on the second stand, you can hold it right there and then have your top to be able to cut or lay out things for patterns, anything you need. Now, one of the really neat things are all of these nice thread holders. There are 100 thread holders. This thing is on wheels, so you can wheel it around wherever you need to go. You can quickly pull it out. I'm gonna bring you in here so we can look at all of the features to this nice stand. So here's the stand up close. It is about 32 inches tall by around 23 inches long right here. Now these do have locks on the wheels, so if you did have a different area that you needed it to lock so it doesn't move around, the wheels do lock in place. And they are 360 swivel, so you can move them in any direction that you need to have them. They will just glide right along with you. These are amazing. They're each spread out plenty to where you can have many rows of thread together, and you can hold up to 100 of them. So on the side here, you actually have 4 hooks on each side. If you wanted to hang things like scissors or different tools that you're going to be using for your sewing, you've got all that right there. And then you roll it around here and you have your sewing machine again. Move that however you want with some more threads in the back. This is a nice movable tray that you can use for any sort of sewing thing and quickly grab out your sewing machine, get to work, turn it on, have extra shelves and lots of storage.